We're getting new insight into the evidence in the murder of a 5-year-old girl in Durham. Chloe Fennell was killed in her home back in July. We remember her precious face. Her 15-year-old cousin was shot 7 times while trying to protect her and another child and survived.
WRAL investigates Sarah Kruger explains one key piece of evidence and why an attorney is already trying to get it thrown out.
New documents here at the courthouse reveal the man charged with murder made a statement to police, and that statement is on video. Now his attorney is trying to make sure it's not admissible in court, saying he didn't know what his rights were. The murder of 5-year-old Chloe Fennell in Durham captured the attention of the community. The young girl was shot in her home in July. A relative, Brian Luster, was charged in her murder. Newly released search warrants detail the scene when police arrived, saying Luster had the girl's cousin and babysitter, Destiny Sidbury, in what appeared to be a headlock in one of the bedrooms. She was shot 7 times and survived. A 1-year-old in the home was not injured. A warrant states police interviewed Sidbury in the hospital. She said Luster was behaving strange and sweating. He went to get a gun, said he was dying, and they were coming with him. WRAL has reported that Luster called 911 himself, saying he thought he had overdosed. Then on the call, there were multiple gunshots. In an interview with police, seemingly the one his attorney is trying to suppress, the warrant says Luster told officers he left the home in the early morning for a methadone clinic, a treatment used for opioid addiction. He then took a bus back. Court documents say a neighbor saw him then and noticed he was acting strangely outside the home, and the children were standing at the side door. It reveals she called police. It's not clear if they responded to that initial call. The warrants say Luster told investigators he remembers calling 911, but then doesn't remember anything after that until he was at the hospital. Sarah Kruger, WRAL News, Durham.
Luster's next court date is October 12th. We will, of course, be following what happens with the case.